Not everyone is going to make it through the AI shift. And the scary part is, most won't even know they're falling behind. But there's a pattern. Certain people with certain habits fail every time. If you want to stay ahead, don't make these mistakes. The first mistake, waiting for permission. These are the people who say, no one taught me how to use AI. I'm waiting for a proper course. But here's the truth. No one's coming to hold your hand. AI isn't a school. It's a playground. The people who win, they play. They break things. They explore. Curiosity is your most valuable skill in 2025. Second mistake, thinking AI is just a chatbot. You open ChatGPT, you type, write me a poem. You laugh, then you close it. You miss the point. This tool can code, design, summarize legal contracts, plan your week, write a business strategy. It's not a chatbot. It's an assistant, a builder, a brain. Use it like one. If this is starting to open your eyes, hit subscribe. This channel is here to help you move forward, not fall behind. Third mistake, avoiding what feels uncomfortable. You open a new tool, Nextcation. You don't understand it in 5 minutes. Well, so, 2, and you give up. But here's the thing. Using AI is like learning a new language. You won't be fluent on day 1. Conventions as well. And that's okay. The only people who lose Nextcation are the ones who stop trying. Fourth mistake, thinking your job is safe. People say, AI won't affect me. My job needs a human. Are you sure? Because we've already seen jobs, real ones, get replaced by AI tools. Writers, editors, designers, even junior developers. If you don't believe it, we already made a full video showing 5 jobs that AI is replacing right now. Check it out, link in the description. And the final mistake, not making AI personal. You think that's for big companies, for coders, for someone else. But here's the truth. The most powerful use of AI is the one that helps you. Use it to plan your day, fix your resume, draft an email, get unstuck. If you don't find a way to use AI, you'll be replaced by someone who did. This isn't about becoming a tech genius. It's about refusing to be left behind. Let us help you with that. This is ZeroKit AI, where we don't just talk about the future, we show you how to use it.